Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about lesson 11, and I'll be doing it with none other than a person by the name of Tabo. He's going to be navigating my lesson, so let's get right to it. So in this lesson, we'll be doing Express templates. I said we'll be pretty much using an error, right? So we'll be making use of like error HTMLs. We, so that we can be printed on the front end using index.html. So that's what's going to happen. So what will happen was obviously we're gonna have the same stuff that we had before, like last time. We have our navigation, EJS, div elements, div ID, then class, and then index.ejs, layout.ejs, so on and so forth. So I'll actually, because my lesson 10, I'll actually be using comments. So for my navigation EJS, this div element represents navigation bar section of the page. The visible text inside navigation bar, right? This lines in EJS comments, right? This syntax used for comments that are ignored by both the server and the client. If you want to appear in the rendered HTML, in this example, you're showing how you could define a variable called name with the value available, but since it's commented out, it won't execute. Tag outputs the value of a variable directly into the HTML. Here it inserts the value of name dynamically. For example, if the server sends name Cabello, the written HTML will display hello Cabello. This works because you express control the price name to this EJS value. And then layout.ejs, right? So the HTML, then here's pretty much for like your layout. This navigation bar at the top of the page, right? Title, browser tab, so on and so forth. So that's what it is, man. And then yeah, includes partials navigation. Then you got your controls, home controller.js enables strict mode, right? And then exports the controller function that can be put in using other files. Let parameters name request parameters that my name, extract the value of my name route from the request URL. If the URL is named Cabello, then request parameter my name equals Cabello, render the index the EJS value view template and pass the name variable to it. EJS file can then use name to display the value dynamically. At your node modules, then you got your main.js, right? Your middleware, your parameters, your constant variable. So a constant variable is a variable in which if you set a value to it, it remains the same. You can't change it, otherwise you can return an error. Then so on and so forth. So you got pack.json. So pack.json, what that does, it stores all your dependencies. That's what that just stores all of it. All your dependencies